hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be part of the conversation.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
Hi, everyone. This is designer Suman Rai. Today I am going to teach you how to download voice messages from Facebook Messenger inbox.
Together, it's so beautiful.
Now open your Chrome browser, log into your Facebook account. Open your Facebook Messenger inbox.
In the great outdoors, forever free.
Select your buddy to whose voice message you want to download. Actually, there were no options for download. Take a look into your inbox. Right-click on a message archive. It doesn't show download options here. Select your buddy to whose voice message you want to download. Then go to the search address bar, delete www and put their letter M instead of www. Now you can see inbox inspect will change into different looks.
In the great outdoors.
Now click on the voice message clip. You can see a download option is appearing there. Click and download your voice messages.
In the great outdoors.
Enjoy your day.